Guys, just wanted to show you the BlueSkySea B1M. So that's the device, and you can see it's really small. It's about this, length of a finger and the thumb across. It does have a lot of cables. I decided to mount it under my pillion seat for quick access to the SD card, because you can connect it to your phone, but transferring through Wi-Fi on your phone takes for ages. So I found it just easier to pop out the SD card, which is on this side here, and upload that directly to my computer. I mounted one of the cameras here underneath the tail light. Sorry for the glare, but you can see, so this one was I had to figure out where to put it actually. And this is the best solution I came up with, just 2 zip ties running through the bracket. It's really sturdy, doesn't go anywhere, and I ran the cable through the panel of the tail light, just right into here. All the rest of the cables are kind of tucked into this piece of plastic here, because there's a lot of them. And then the front camera is just here. So I mounted just next to my dash. Found this is the best spot. It doesn't actually get any of this in the shot. I was looking originally kind of under here, but there's just no real good place to mount it. And this gives me a little bit more height as well. And yeah, so far really stable. This one I used the 3M stickers on the back. It just holds pretty nicely, even though it's only half the strip of 3M that's touching. And it doesn't distract or anything. And then as well, I didn't have to rotate any of the cameras because they're both facing upright. And that's it. Okay, so here you have some footage daytime. You can see from the top mounted camera. So here's some daytime footage. You see from the front camera, it's quite a purplish tone to it. I think that's the haze that's coming in from the sunlight. It could be just the level of the sun in the sky, or the coating on the camera's a bit bad at handling flare. I might remount the camera to under the headlight just to shield it a little bit more from the sun, so it doesn't get as much flaring. Although I'm not going to be using this camera so much for motorcycle videos. I mean, once in a while, maybe on a nice drive. But the primary purpose of this is just for added security in case of an accident. Here's a split screen, and we'll switch to a front view soon. There it is, front view. So it's quite wide angle, detail's not too bad. You can freeze frame if you're close enough and read a license plate. And here's the nighttime view, so it's quite grainy at the front here. Well, the back does get some grain as well. So I think again, maybe it's the angle of the front camera. Maybe it's a little bit too high angle, so it catches the street lights again and gets a lot of glare. But the details are acceptable. You can see what you need to see from a dash cam. And this is a relatively dark street, a few lights, so there's quite a lot of amplification going on from the software. And soon I'll turn on to a busier street with lots of lights, so you can see the difference there. That's the busy street, and I'll switch to a front-only view here. And there you have it. So that's the review for the BlueSkySea B1M, which is the top range of their motorcycle dash cams. Go check it out.